Before heading into combat, make sure you are properly prepared. Carry a sword that is at least iron, with diamond being the best option if you have access to it. Wearing iron or stronger armor is highly recommended. A bow with arrows can be very useful, especially for range combat, and bringing a couple of tamed wolves can provide extra support. Torches are important for visibility and for preventing mobs from spawning nearby. If you have not reached iron tools yet, start with a wooden sword and upgrade to stone as soon as possible. Stone swords are strong enough to handle early game enemies. If available, enchant your equipment to improve durability and damage. Always bring a shield, as it can block many attacks and significantly increase your survival chances. Avoid bringing all of your best items unless necessary, since dying can make them difficult to recover unless keep inventory is enabled. In newer versions of Minecraft, you can dual-wield items, allowing faster switching between melee and ranged attacks. Axes can also be very effective weapons, especially against zombies and skeletons. Set the game difficulty to easy or higher, since hostile mobs do not spawn in peaceful mode. If you want a tougher challenge, hard mode increases both enemy strength and spawn rates. Organize your hotbar so that weapons, food, and potions are easy to access. Place torches around your area to improve visibility and reduce enemy spawns. When hostile mobs appear, be ready to fight. Keeping your inventory organized during combat can make a big difference. Learning how to land critical hits will greatly increase your damage output. Jump and attack while falling, or sprint and strike at the right moment. Timing your swing as you fall after a jump results in extra damage and helps defeat enemies more quickly.